Need to come back. 回 Yes. So 完 back 回 That's the first group. Second group. 都好 The third group.
想
The third group 是 one challenge try. Yes, like singing, like because 香烟 the same level 是you need to be patient. 香烟 Yes. Now the second, the fourth group.
糖化
Good. Now four.
糖化
Now next group 4.
太快
Yeah, it's no. Yes, because it's 4 like no 太快 Yes, that's why use the sound to guide you. Now 4 first.
太高
Yes, yeah 是yes 太高 Yes. Now first second.
心
Better. Okay, look. C is here. Yes. Yes. That's why for the second tone, always remember because C is here. Don't continue from back to low 难 So C 难 Then yes, then always correct. If you continue, always wrong. So C 难 Yes. Okay, now 4 second. Yes. 40. Okay, third, fourth. Yes. Yeah, 你累 Okay. This I just show you if mix tone. So how to make the correct the pronunciation tone. Still use the sounds to guide you. Like Next time we will practice this more. Please bring more here. Okay. We still have 5 minutes. Let's do more practice speaking. This one. The new words. Then we use the grammar to practice. Who did the homework? No? Who want to read? Who want to read your homework? Okay, Raphael. Let's listen. Yes. Together. Okay, good. Very good. Let's listen. Shh. See if you understand. Okay, now they speak Chinese.
我叫Rafaela，我们是巴西人，他们是我的朋友和学生。
我叫 Sana， 我是药剂师。我叫 Priscila， 我是老师。
我们想学中文，我住在中国1年了。
我住在中国4年了。我住在中国4个月。你们要咖啡吗？我要咖啡。
我不要咖啡，我要水。
大杯咖啡很好。
谢谢桑娜，不客气。
不客气。
Yes. Very good. All correct. The grammar correct. Of course, they use all these words because they also use another one. I live in Shenzhen for 1 year or 3 months. We didn't learn yet. They use others. Yes, China. Others, I think you should understand, right? Understood? They talk about name, where they're from. They live in Shenzhen for how long? Do you want coffee? I don't want, I want water. The coffee is very good, right? Very good. Okay, next, who has? This is very good practice. If you have friends with you, actually you can, each time you make the dialogue like this. This is a very good way to practice because also encourage each other to study. Okay, now we use this to practice, especially this one, how to use, it's a new one. And then I hope next Saturday, before the class, please make some homework. You can write your own dialogue, or you can with, like they did, make the dialogue with your friends. Actually, it's fun. Really have lots of fun. Try to use this question answer. Okay, please next time to make this kind of dialogue. So now let's practice this 有 and 没有 to make a sentence, okay? 有 and 没有 make a sentence quickly.
你要咖啡吗？
要 or 有
你有。
Yes, again.
你有咖啡吗？
Answer.
不有，
没有。
我没有咖啡。
不有。
没有。
I said 有 the negative 是没有 not 不有 so 我没有咖啡 right yes if you use without ma then should say 你有没有咖啡 then you answer the same 没有咖啡 right yes okay one more
林的老师，你有没有孩子？
Correct. Understand? See, Linda 老师，你有没有孩子 ？Yes, correct. Next, one more. Also use this.
你有没有水？
Correct. Next, do you have water? Next,
你有没有朋友？
你有没有朋友 ？Yes, correct. Next. Okay. 你有没有学生 ？Correct. Yes. Next. So yes.
你有没有孩子？
你有没有孩子 Yeah, the same. Right. So looks like you like to use 有没有 right? Yes. Actually, also when you go out, local people use more this way. 有没有？你要不要咖啡 Yes. Okay. So now understand. Just remember 有 negative 是没有 Yes. So you use 有没有 also help you to practice 没有 Okay. Now 男朋友、女朋友、丈夫、单身、结婚for this one, if because we say 结婚 if marriage 是我结婚了 the grammar we didn't learn yet it's for past but if you want to ask a question for example say are you married then you just say 你结婚了吗 yes you use this way 你结婚了吗 means are you married if yes say 我结婚了 okay for these words other do you have any question actually today only this new how to use 你有问题吗 have question correct yes for this now you know how to use, right? Do you have any question? 有没有问题 ？OK， 没有问题，so I have 问题。So okay, again, so today what we learned 4 tones. So use When you practice at home, use this, use the sound to guide you. Then you will make it correctly, okay? The second thing we learn from 0 to 99 numbers. Then you can talk about your age or your children's age, your friend's age. Just add 3. But for age, the verb you can delete, it's fine, then no mistake. So for the age. And then we learn few new words today. So 单身 single, 结婚 married, and then 有没有 others we learned already last class, right? So for next Saturday, please do the homework. So you make a story, like introduce yourself, okay. You make a dialogue by yourself, okay. You make a dialogue with your friends, also very good. Please do something to use all these words. So next class, then can share your homework. Because if you don't do, I don't know you really can use or not. Then I know we can plan. We go ahead, go forward. Understand? Okay. So next class, please prepare the homework. If I see your homework very good, then I'm excited. Then we teach you more. We learn more new things. Okay? Okay, everyone. Thank you for coming. And see you next Saturday.